deep in the shadows. I know it's hard.
Maulan pa rin siya, guys. Oh, the whole day yesterday, then today. Still raining. Oh my God. Bago ah. Bahaan niya dito sa school nila, kuya. Nandito na tayo sa school ni kuya, kaso hindi pa namin siya nakikita. Yan. So, siguro batch by batch yung ano nila. Yung ulan hindi pa rin humihinto. Pasok tayo ng ng teacher sa loob kasi maulan. Yeah. So, itatouch natin si kuya sa loob ng school. So, wala si kuya sa first, second, and third batch. So, meron pa isang batch. Hopefully, nandiyan si kuya. Ay, so kako de! Kako si Isay. Oh. Daddy! Oh! Ayun si kuya. Yay! Kako siya! Kako! Ayun si kuya. Wait na. Elden! So, ayan. Kasundo na natin si kuya. So fast! What's that?
I miss you.
Yo, we miss you.
Climbing rocks.
Okay. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Caesarea. Dito tayo maglalunch. Yan. Yeah. Also. Yes. Natulog si Chaba. Tuwa-tuwa si Bunso. Okay. So, ito yung order ni Kuya. Yan. Thank you so much. Chili. So, lamb chunk for me and wine.
One. So good.
Guys, only.
Bento box.
Oh, it's a bit. Never cook there. All tapaw.
Oh, don't have eat our own sandwich. We boil our own eggs. And we mash the eggs. But accidentally pop the whole plastic bag and only left a bit of the egg. Oh my god. Too much. A ball of egg. And then after that,
Group or individual?
individual.
So, what's your group? What's your group? Hands up.
Who finished 2 chickens?
Easy.
I know, that is 2.
Green. You have a meat one.
But share.
This one.
Share. Yeah. How many steak?
So, tapos na tayo mag-lunch. Nice. Still raining. Yeah. Uulan pa rin. yan. Kakadating lang natin ng bahay. Now is, anong oras na?
Hello!
3:30 na ng hapon. So, yan. So, anakas pa rin ng ulan. Umikot kami ng isang warm round para hindi na kami, mabasa ng ulan. So, yun. Tingin yung batang nasa likod na yun. Naglalaro siya. Yung ginagawa ko kagabi, hindi ko pa siya natatapos. So, yung iba na, na-pack ko na yung mga toys niya. Yung iba, itatapon ko na lang mamaya. Walk, walk. Are you happy now?
Yeah!
Yeah, nandito na si Kuya, so happy na siya. Then you, what are you doing there? What are you doing there? Ha, Chaba? Chaba Bambina? Aja? Gustong-gusto niya to, guys, oh. Itong palipit. Palipit kung tawagin to sa atin, di ba? Palipit.
What's palipit?
Twisted. Yan.
Oh.
Di ba? Palipit kung tawagin sa atin to. So, gustong-gusto to ng mga bata. You put inside? Where is Chaba Bambina? Cha! Maloko na yan, ah. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Ayo. Ayo, ayo, ama. Ayo, ayo. Oh, oh, oh. Ayo, ayo. Oh, oh. Maloko na yan si Maiden ngayon. Say please.
No. Here.
Finish first. Your mouth still have some more. See, open your mouth. Show mama. See? Ayan guys, so matutulog muna tayo. Iinip muna kami. Kasi si Kuya parang puyat na puyat siya. Parang sabi niya maaga silang nagigising tapos maaga silang nagigising tapos natutulog sila mga 10:30 na ng gabi. So, papatulugin muna natin yung mga kids. So, maaga pa naman. Tapos mamaya pupunta tayo na waterway. Kasi yung vacuum namin, na siya, dead battery. So, titingin kami ng battery mamaya kung pwede siyang palitan. Or the worst case, bibili ulit kami ng bago. Pero, itatry namin kung meron dun sa shop na nabilan namin. And magtitingin din kami ng sapatos ng mga kids for Chinese New Year. Yun yung agenda for today.
Wait. Hello. So what is inside?
Oh, Omo.
Oh.
Woo!
Never seen this. Did you buy this from Coco?
Yeah. Are you excited, Coco, reach home?
No, she is excited.
Coco show something. Coco got pasalubong. Coco got present.
I'll give for you, Marianne.
What is it? Close your eyes.
Close your eyes, Mimi. Close your eyes. Yeah, I need one of this.
What is Coco present? Yes. Okay. Oh, Coco got something for you. There.
Hey, where is it?
Where?
Where is it?
Did you drink already?
Oh, I don't drink. It just says I drink now. You sure? Is this how you do it?
Close your eyes, Meme.
Yes, please.
Meme, close your eyes. Coco got something. Close your eyes.
Yes, close your eyes.
Close. There. Coco have
3. Is it 3, 2, 1. Oh, what's this?
Wow.
Apple juice.
Coco got apple
Yeah,
juice.
Yes. Then drink. Ask Mama help.
What must you say to Coco? Yes.
That's my ball.
Apple juice. Come. Show Mama.
But I need my pour in the cup first.
Yeah, mas po. Put in on the fridge first. Yan. So, may dala si Kuya ang ganito. Apple juice. Masarap to, guys, eh.
Give me all apple juice, right?
Yep, you can.
Apple juice. Apple juice.
And yung apple na, handa namin ng bagong taon na binili ko, ayan. Inano ko na siya. Binalatan ko siya, tsaka ko na hiniwa ng ganyan para mabilis makain ng mga kids.
Comfortable.
자, 야, 내 손 냈다.
Can you take it out?
It's not better. What do you do? They are nice.
Oh, you just
Okay.
Wow, Coco, your feet so big.
Okay, so
Laki ng paa ni
you want this one?
Kuya.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much is this one?
Coco feet so big.
I just take out my hands just go ready. Sleeping.
Grabe, laki ng paa ni Kuya.
Yeah, we can get one.
Sorry.
Buy one more set.
Laki ng paa ni Kuya. So, this one already, yeah? No, on top, Daddy. Yeah.
These are nice.
Quite nice.
I will say this one. Black and red, like no matter.
Yeah, it's buy two get one free. So, any shoes.
Not those two. But the problem is,
It's,
I need to find a problem.
yan. Meron silang buy two get one free. Until when, ah? Hindi ko alam kung until when. Hindi ko alam kung until when. Hindi nakalagay. Dami silang ano. So, okay na si Daddy at saka yung mga kids. Nakabili na sila ng shoes nila. So, ayan. Yan, dito kami ngayon sa Monster Curry. Dito kami mag-bili na.
So I already told
Okay, yung kay Kuya, Sabah Curry. Looks nice.
You don't try, huh?
Looks nice.
But can we share?
可是还是还不当那个明显。想我帮他一读的人，然后对读的什么的人。哦，对。Sleepy?
But the skin.
Wait, he's
French
hot,
fries.
he's hot. You leave a bit for me.
I've got French fries for Meme.
Too hot still.
How do you get the calorie? Okay, one more behind.
Always having.
Yeah. Behind. Okay.
Did you how many?
Yeah, just put it
oh,
here. Thank you. Okay.
can I
Our
have
food here already.
sharing the
Yeah. I think we get a side plate lah.
Oh, no, you never put inside.
No. Can we have a side plates? Three.
No, it's not.
Thank you.
I need 3 sides plate.
Yeah. So, share kami dito nila Kuya. Ay, nila Bunso.